welcome to my volcano experiment.
Yes, volcano. Okay, first we need some water, right, Avalokana? You have water here?
Yeah.
You have water here, okay. Not yet, don't pour it yet. We are going to add some ingredients, okay. Now 2 drops of this red color, please. Into the water. Remember, what are we doing?
Into the water?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Nope. Yeah, don't worry about that.
1. Go.
That's hard.
1, 2. 2 drops.
Ah, show everyone how it is red.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add
Don't
the
have to
beaker.
mix this.
To the beaker. Don't
Can we mix this?
Don't worry about mixing it. So add 2 spoons of citric acid. Go ahead, 2 spoons into this beaker. Not into the beaker, into the conical flask. Okay.
Okay.
Let me help you. Okay, 2 spoons. Okay.
I'm trying to get it.
You can do it.
Just
Okay, let me.
some.
Okay, here you go. Careful, don't put it in this. Yeah, put it in there. 1 more spoon. Yes. Okay, so the citric acid is done. Now we need 2 spoons of baking soda.
Yeah, baking soda.
Okay, go ahead. That's 1 spoon. Go ahead. Yeah, 1 more. 1 more spoon. Yeah, very good. Okay, now we have 2. What do we have here, Avalokana? 2 spoons of citric acid and 2
spoons of
baking soda. Now go ahead, shake it.
Okay.
Yeah, close the top. Don't not like that. Yeah. Shake it a little more. Yeah, shake it like that. Shake it sideways. Superb. Now for the final part of the experiment. Go ahead, Avalokana. Whoa, the volcano!
Oh, it's coming!
Volcano!
Look. Whoa, it's fizzing like a fizz. Look, it's coming up! It's bubbling! It's bubbling!
Volcano!
Come up!
Whoa, volcano!
Yeah, we should shake it a little bit, I guess.
Yes, because the citric acid and the baking soda need to mix, Avalokana. Yes, you have a volcano.
Hi!
Okay, say bye to everyone.
Bye!